Okay, y'all, this is my work wig. I actually just realized when I was in Palm Springs, I recorded a brief snippet of myself in a green dress, and I was wearing this, but it's like freshly washed and conditioned and not as poofy. But yeah, it's going on 6 a.m. I've been up since 5, and I'm about to leave out and head to Inglewood. Good morning. I think I'm well-ish rested. It's cold. Wow, the weather just turns here. But I'm well-ish rested. I would love to stay in bed all day. It's almost 9:30. In a few hours I'm gonna catch a flight to Philly. It's more than a few hours, but this afternoon. But first, I don't know, I gotta pack because I've been working for the last 2 days, long hours, and then I just only had time to, I don't know, come home, eat, maybe go out for a little evening walk, and then get in bed and go to sleep because I had to get up early. So, I have to pack. I have to go to UPS and it's literally like 2 blocks away, but I need to go print out the confirmation for my airport parking. I don't think it's mandatory, but it's like sometimes on these websites they're saying print out the confirmation and put it on your dashboard, and then there's another little note that says you can show or print. I don't want to have to deal with that as I'm trying to catch my flight, so I'm gonna go print it out. I'm about to make my smoothie. My NutriBullet came 2 days ago, but I haven't had time to actually make a smoothie with it, so don't feel like turning on a light, so here we go. This is it. Oh, you can actually see what it's supposed to look like. It's like I'm assuming it's a small version of a regular blender. But this box is so big, but also this one that I had, just this with the cup that goes inside, that also came in a big-ish box. So let's open this up so let me turn on this light. I don't think that did anything. Did it? Did a little something. Not something. It's like I hate staying in bed, just laying there. But then I get out and I'm like, why didn't I just stay there? I didn't set my alarm until I set it for 10 a.m. But I've been up since 6, went back to sleep, got up again at 8. I just can't really sleep in. All the crap that comes in. This cup seems bigger than my current cup. Jeez. But it seems taller. But it's a tiny bit more slender. And this is what I'll be using every single day. I don't know that I'll ever really use the big thing with the handle. Okay, now here's the regular size cup. So maybe one is 24 ounces and one is 32 ounces? I don't know. But yeah, this is the one I'll be using. We got some tops, which I need. When my mom sent me my NutriBullet from DC, she just put a cup, the blades, and the thing in a box, the actual blender. No tops. And that's what I mainly wanted, so I could like take it out the house and close it up. Well, she said it all couldn't fit, so I'll believe her, I guess. Oh my God. This is a regular size blender. I legit thought this was like half the size. At least I thought it was slender and looking like a blender, but this is an actual blender. Maybe I'll have a visitor one time and we'll make like, I don't know, margaritas or something, but everybody I know that drinks margaritas drinks it on the rocks. So I don't know. It's also supposed to be. Let me make sure I'm not lying. I was reading the reviews and people were like, "Oh, it's also an extractor, as in a juicer." But how? How? Ah, no. Oh, this would be great for an acai bowl. Maybe I'll start buying those again. I stopped because I felt like they weren't blending well enough. This is so much. Jesus. I did not know this thing was this big, but it'll get the job done. Hopefully it lasts. I think I've had this other one for about 2 years. And had I known that I need to be switching the blades out every 6 months like I know now, it'd still be working, I think. All right, let's set this up. I actually love that this is made like this instead of like this where everything has to sit down. That's actually, it's not like dirt, it's a dust that started coming out of the blender. But how the cup has to sit down in that versus with this, it sits on top, like all of this connects. So there's nothing for things to spill down into. That's the point that I'm trying to make. Oh my goodness, this blender, it's obviously not silent, but compared to the other NutriBullet, oh my God, I don't feel so bad about, it's not even early in the morning, but like I don't feel so bad about blending. It's like, it's no worse than a hair blow dryer. I feel like I heard something rumbling around in here, so hopefully everything is blended. I did medium and then high. Oh, I'm just so impressed by the noise. Feels like everything's blended. It's pretty smooth. The only thing that isn't blended properly, and the other one didn't do it as well, is the dates. I'm gonna put one date in there. I'm trying to get rid of them. I just threw the last two away. I'm not gonna buy them anymore because they don't really do anything for me. I'm not into eating them alone. But yeah, other than that, it's the smoothest smoothie I've made in I don't know how long. Extremely smooth. All right, so I'm gonna lounge around for an hour or two before I go do my printout and slowly pack as the day goes by. I wonder if Philly should be a separate vlog. We'll see.